Welcome back to my channel, guys. This video does not have an introduction because I wanted to show you how to make paper flower. One of you requested me to do that, so I'm just gonna be quick because my phone does not have space. All right, so what you will need for this particular project, you will need this paper. This paper, you can get it at Buriani. I already told you where Buriani is. You will need a scissors, you will need a pen or a pencil to draw out, and then you will need of course you don't need a child who will distract you. So if you have a child, ensure you lock them in their rooms or the bathroom. Anyway, so that is what you're going to need. Cut out that, draw it out, and then you will cut it out with using a pair of scissors. All right, so for the templates, you can get them online and then go to the cyber guy, tell them to tell the cyber guy to get you a printout, but ensure that the printout is really hard because you're going to use this for a long time. All right. So now you'll need to cut in the middle so that you can shikanisha with the glue gun. These templates of mine are really big, and that's why the paper flower will not look so pretty, you will see. But you can get smaller templates so that your paper flower will look beautiful. Finally, we need the base where we're going to assemble the papers, and the base should be circular. So you'll take that paper and then cut out a circular sort of a circle shape. It should be circle. Mine is a bit rusted because I wanted to do this very fast because of the form space, but kindly ensure that it's round kabisa, so that the base, and ensure that it's a bit bigger depending on the size of the paper flower. All right, ensure that the bigger petals will come at the base, and then go building up depending on the size. Go building up to form a flower. Clearly I have failed you because this particular paper flower is very ugly. But guys, if you get smaller paper templates and do the right thing, your paper will become very beautiful. All right, I'm sorry, guys. Honestly, I just hope you've learned something. If you have any questions, please ask me on the comment section down below, because oh my god. All right, so now let's make a base for that. You take a paper, cut it out like that, cut small pieces like that.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers.
Clearly, guys, this is the end result, but it's not very beautiful. But guys, you get the gist. Kindly, when you're looking for templates, look for beautiful templates and smaller. Guys, you can see, these are from the internet and you can see how beautiful they are. Kindly try and get smaller templates for good work. Okay, bye.